Oh my god, you guys, I'm literally for the first time ever on camera with no chapstick, no nothing on my face, and I feel like this so subconscious, you guys, because my face or my skin is not, to me, my strongest. It's something that I have been working on for a long time and continuing to work on every single day. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? My name is Pam. And today we're going to be kicking off my Back to Basics series. But in this series, I'm just going to be breaking down the parts of makeup and just kind of doing very in detail steps with you guys on one particular part of makeup, just for the sake of teaching you guys how I do it. Today's video has a little skincare in it. I'm not a skincare expert. As I told you guys, I have been working on my skin for a very long time. I am a post-acne Accutane person, and if you guys are interested, I can make a video on my Accutane journey, on my skin journey, just how terrible it was, where it got, and how it is today. But that's another video. So for today's video, I really wanted to show you guys how I do moisturize, how I apply my eye creams, my chapsticks, just the small, tedious things to some, but very important to others because maybe they don't know, you know what I mean? So that's basically what this video is, a judgment-free video breaking down every tiny little step on this particular subject. And today I'm going to be focusing on moisturizing and priming, all of the prep that I do before applying foundation or any makeup on my skin. The first thing I like to start with every time, like I honestly am like the kind of person that as soon as I get out the shower, I have to get something on my skin because I feel like the environment is going to like ruin all of my work, and the environment is going to just ruin my skin. I'm going to get wrinkles, whatever. I'm crazy like that. So I always like to keep moisturized. Moisturizing is so important. Moisturizing is so important, you guys. I have no idea how so many people skip it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of my Acar Lips Restoration because my lips are so damn chapped. And I wanted to really start this with nothing on my face, on my skin, nothing at all, just so I can really go down in depth with you guys. So why is moisturizing so important? It's good to have a barrier between your skin and the environment. You definitely want to protect your skin against free radicals and all those kind of things, sun exposure. Another reason behind moisturizing is it makes your makeup look so good. When your skin looks good and it's moisturized and it's plumped up, makeup applies beautifully, stays on longer, looks more natural. And yeah, so I'm just gonna jump right in because I definitely don't want these videos to be super long, and I can already tell you guys, I know it's going to be super long. After getting out the bathroom, one of the first things I do is chapstick because my lips get super dry super fast. Next, I go into any eye cream. Right now, I'm loving the Tatcha Silk Peony eye cream, and this is what it looks like. Another really good one, another alternative, Drunk Elephant Sea Tangle Multivitamin Eye Cream. So these are the two that I like to use. I mix them up really. I feel like if I get too used to one, I jump into the other. So those are the two that are working for me. So the way I do it is I usually use my ring finger, and I dip in here. I always wash my hands before putting anything on my hand, just in case. I wash under my nails anytime I do anything like this. So then I kind of just get really close to right here, like the bottom part under your eye. It's where I put the most of the product. Put exactly where you see that dent. Well, I have a dent. But right in this area right here, I bring that and then kind of scoop it up until right here. Anywhere that you feel like you'll be getting fine lines or anything, that's what I do. And then after I kind of smear it on, I tap it in. So whatever I have left, I put it on my eyelids. I know, there's like different things people say. I just saw the other day Norvina posted about making sure you don't put eye cream on your actual lids. But I have very, very like extremely dry lids that if I leave them bare, they kind of start flaking and my makeup just doesn't apply correctly. So this is what I do before I do my makeup. So again, the next eye, I drag it down first and then I scoop it up. Then I tap it in. So this takes me like a minute usually. And then with the rest that I have on my finger, I use it right here on my lid. So next, I typically like to go in with a serum. And this is the Ole Henkerson Truth Serum. My cheeks are, well, especially this side, are my like target area. So I mix it up with my fingertips and then I put it right into my cheeks because I feel like this is the area, one of my main problem areas. And then I get another little pump, literal little tiny pump, you guys, and put it on my chin and my forehead. Another good serum I forgot to mention is the Vino Perfect from Caudalie. This gives me such a nice glow, you guys. So one of the things I do try to stay away from in moisturizers is any moisturizer with alcohol in it. So one of the ones that I really like is like the CeraVe moisturizer. I also like the First Aid Beauty moisturizer. This one's really good. It's the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I also like the Lala Retro Whipping Cream. And this one is from Drunk Elephant. Because I do have a combination skin, meaning my zones right here, my T-zone tends to get a little oily. There's times that my skin is a lot drier. I put that on fingertips and I honestly just start kind of getting it in. Because like I told you guys, I'm so dry recently that I gotta get my glow back some way, somehow. So I like to work in sides. I don't know why, but I work on one side and then I go into the other side. And I also work in upwards motion. I like to moisturize my neck and my chest as well. It's very important, and the back of my hands, because those are the places that you're going to be showing aging signs like the most. Again, same thing. Apply in circular motions going up. It's better than down, and just think about gravity, you know? So one of the benefits of moisturizing as well, I feel, is it reduces the way my pores look with makeup on. Like when you put on that foundation, when you do that full face and you cake on that foundation, sometimes you see all those pores and all that because there's like no barrier, nothing there, you know? You guys, I have the worst pimple. I got a pimple here and right over here, but I feel it underneath the skin, which bothers me. They never break out except for like, you know, that time of the month. So as far as different moisturizers, I have used gel moisturizers, I've used cream. So I'm not crazy about using gel moisturizers with my foundation. It just doesn't work for me. I've tried a couple and I'm not crazy about it. Kind of starts lifting the foundation after a while. I feel, I don't know, maybe I've used the wrong gel moisturizers. Also for at night, because like I told you guys, I've been so dry. I've been using the Laneige Sleeping Care. It's a Cica sleeping mask. Oh my god, you guys, this is freaking amazing. This is a sleeping moisturizer that I use. If you want to further intensify like your moisturization, you should definitely look into getting that one. As far as an oil, I mean something that I can mix with my foundation, something like a primer oil. This one's from Wander Beauty. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This is another. This one's from Drunk Elephant and it's called the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. You use 2 to 3 drops. I mix it with my foundation sometimes I don't. I keep it like that. So now we're gonna jump into the oils. So after all of that, sometimes I'll go in with like a primer or an oil primer or whatever the case may be. So if I want a luminous finish, I'll go in with like the Glow Ahead, like I showed you guys. And that's what we're gonna do today. So for the Glow Ahead, sometimes I go ham, sometimes I don't. And I really just use this amount of product. I work it again into my fingertips. Everything I try to use into my fingertips, prints. And again, circles and up motions with this as well. You guys, be gentle with your face. I see people be so aggressive with their face that it gives me so much anxiety. So I use it on the high points on my face and mainly everywhere, honestly. I'm not even gonna not. And yeah, that's basically how I go in. Sometimes before the oil or instead of the oil, I just use my SPF. This gives you such a glow. Oh my god. I'm like, ever since I started using it, I'm like, I'm never changing sunscreens again. So this is the Supergoop Glow Stick Sunscreen SPF 50, and it is so bomb, you guys. So freaking bomb. And protects your skin. You guys, please use sunscreen. Sunscreen is so crucial. I don't know why when I was younger, I thought that sunscreen was not even necessary. So I applied this before I applied my makeup, but after I applied my moisturizer. So I think that's about it, you guys. We already hydrated our eyes, hydrated our face, and our lips and neck and chest. Because the moisturizer from First Aid Beauty along with the Wonder Beauty are kind of like moisturizing slash priming. I don't use a primer. When I do use these, guys, I consider these my primers. So you can follow up with another primer if you want, but I think I'm good and I want to keep the glow that I have for my foundation and the rest of my face. So that sums up my moisturizing and priming video. If you have any more questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and if you like the video, go ahead and give it a like. Until next time, you guys.